See here, this is the second question. Second question, it is written PQRS. I mistakenly I wrote ABCD because the thing was already drawn. I wrote this, that's why it is I wrote ABCD. So thing are same only. We will be dealing with ABCD instead of PQRS. And the value is the same. This is the product of sum expression because of this product of sum expression. Now you see, I have drawn this here the diagram and the dimensions I wrote. And this one the m value 0, m value is the same, only the dimension change. Here sum of product a complement b complement, here it is a plus b. So here that was a complement b, here a plus b complement, just opposite. So accordingly I wrote and dimensions I wrote. Now these are the elements mentioned there in the question. So all the as it is a product of sum, zeros are mentioned here. Now you see what type of relationship we can take. So this is your pair. Here only pair only you can take. This is the pair, this is pair. This you can see this is one. So for this either you can make a relationship or you can make a relationship. You can make like this. This is one. And now this one you cannot take any relationship. This can take relationship with a map rolling. So you can take this and then this. You fold it together. Then this. Here all are pair only. Now we will be writing. Now considering here actually is a product of sum. If you quad, octet and all, it takes little bit time to rearrange the elements. If you have a pair, it is very easy that way. Now first we will be doing this, considering M8 and M9. Capital M, M8 and M9, we get what we are getting here. We are getting A complement plus B, A complement plus B plus C plus D plus C plus D. And another one here it is A complement plus B, A complement plus B plus C plus D complement plus C plus D complement. C plus D complement. Now equal to, you know it, the formula already we know it, x plus y and x plus y complement equal to x. This is the formula, you must write it beside. So x plus y and x plus y complement. See here x plus a complement bc, a complement bc, and here a d and d complement. So we can make a group, these two, this one and this one. So d plus d complement. So that means here it is coming x. This is x and this is y. Then and this is x and this is y. So that means it will be x. So that means a complement plus b plus c. That is the answer of this. Now again considering this is over. Now this one you can consider 13 and 15. Considering M13 and M15, we get what we are getting. M13 here you have to see M13 A complement plus B complement, A complement plus B complement plus C plus D complement, C plus D complement. And then this one A complement plus B complement, A complement plus B complement plus C complement plus D complement, C complement plus D complement. So from here also we will be getting what we are getting, A complement, B complement. Here D complement, C and C complement are here are there. So that means it will be A complement plus B complement plus D complement is the answer of this case. Again we are considering so that M8, M9 you consider, then M13 and M15 consider. Now M15 and M11 we will be considering M15 and M11. Considering M15 and M11, we get what we are getting. M15 A plus A complement plus B complement, A complement plus B complement plus this side, and C complement plus D complement plus C complement plus D complement. So A complement plus B complement, and this one you have A complement plus B, A complement plus B, and this side is C complement plus D complement, C complement plus D complement. Now you see here what is common here, A complement, B complement, C complement, because so B complement and B is the substitution here. So it will be the A complement plus C complement plus D complement. B complement and D is here. Why? Now it is done. These all three are done. Now here this will be considering these 0 and 1, considering M0 and M0 and M1, we get what we are getting. M0 equal to M0 is A plus B plus C plus D, A plus B plus C plus D. Then here it is A plus B plus C plus D complement plus C plus D complement. So from here what will be D plus D complement, A plus B plus C will be answer, A plus B plus C. Now one more map rolling, considering M2 and M0. M2 and M0. Bracket you have to write map rolling. Map, because this you have to mention it here. Map rolling. You have to write M2. What is the M2? This one is A plus B. A plus B. M2 is A plus B plus C complement plus D. Plus C complement plus D. And another one is this is M2 and this is here M0. M0 is A plus B plus C plus D plus C plus D. You see here A plus C complement and here it is C, so that means A plus B plus D. A plus B plus A plus B plus D, A plus B plus D, C and C complement. Now here we see altogether how many we got. So this is one answer, this is another answer. There are two. There are one answer, 3. Here one answer, 4, and here one answer. This is 5. Now we have to put together all these 5. Now I will be writing it here. I will rub little bit and then I will write. Then that is the ultimate answer is here. Now we will be writing. Therefore, if A, B, C, D equal to A complement plus B plus C. So this is over. Now A complement plus B complement plus D complement. This is also over. Now here it is plus multiplication A complement plus C complement plus D complement, and here A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, and then one more is that A plus B plus D, A plus B plus D. So this is all together. Now this is the answer of the first part. Now we have to draw the logical diagram. Logical diagram, I am rubbing it off here, nothing to say. So that is the ultimate. Now we will be drawing the diagram. It will be little bit bigger in size. Now you see here the diagram. First A complement, B complement, C. So here it is. I am writing it here. There are 3 A complement, A complement, B and C. This is OR, it is plus. So here it is OR. You write A complement plus B plus C here. This arrow you must not forget. Then again 3 input you take. That is A complement, B complement, D complement, A complement, B complement and D complement. Now here you take A complement plus B complement plus D complement. Now here another one. Here it is third one is there A complement, C complement, D complement. A complement, C complement, D complement, A complement, C complement, D complement. This is plus. And now another one. Here it is A plus B plus C, A, B, C, A plus B plus C, and now one more, the last, A plus B plus D. So here A plus B, A, B and D, A plus B plus D. Now this is all OR gate. This is all OR gate. Now all are putting AND. This is AND. Remember this. So now we will be putting AND. Bring closer. And now AND. This arrow is very essential, don't forget. Now we'll be writing the output in each stage. I wrote the output out here, input, output. Here all are input, here output. This is compulsory. If you don't write, then mark will be deducted, and 1 mark, and that also will be deducted, half mark. Then ultimately we will be writing A complement plus B plus C, then A complement plus B complement plus D complement, then A complement plus C complement plus D complement, and then A plus B plus C, and then A plus B plus D. So that is the ultimate here. So this type of program you must practice, this type of problem you must practice it. This is very easy, and 10 marks it is here. Even your annual also you might give this type of question. So this is one final question paper I am giving you. This is the way question comes. Your 10 marks question it is. So that much of this.